Today our video is on that about credits. If you want to add a credit of someone which edited your videos, and if you want to add a credit of some movies and some music producer of the video, so you can simply add. So let's get started. Like I am importing this video of a skateboard. So I want to add a credit of the producer, so I simply go in the end of the video, and here tiles and some end credits. As you see that here are some built-in end credits. You can simply add more from and more websites, and let's see. I'm using this one. This is like a music credit and a video credit, so I am splitting this. Okay, edit a video credit. So these are some credits. If you want to add names, so you can simply add here, like I am adding a seed, and suppose these are all names. And if you want to change the color of the text, so you can simply here, and these are animations. This one good. And here the text, how the text will come, the animations. So as you see that here are the credits, all the names of the producers and editors of the films, and I will move it to end because in the end the credits will